Welcome to my channel, everybody. See the very some problem here given to me. See, this is one of the best problem. We have given y equal to 1 plus a1 by x minus x1, a2 into x minus a1 into x into within the first bracket x minus a2 plus a3 x square whole divided by x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3. Okay, and see, first simplify. See the technique here for simplification is that, okay, a2x x minus a1 x minus a3, okay, these are cancelled, so same as take an LCM of these two part, that is there x minus a1 and x minus a2, and multiply by that x into x minus a3 plus a2 into x plus a3 into x square x minus a1 x minus a2 x minus a3. Okay, if we multiply that, then this is here wrongly written, this is a2 here, so this is your a2. Okay, so a2x are cancelled, so this is your x square by x minus a1 x minus a2 plus a3 into x square by x minus a1 x minus a2 x minus a3, and again we have to take a LCM, that is here x minus a1 x minus a2 x minus a3, and multiply by x square into x minus a3 plus a3 into x square, and that is equal to x cube by x minus a1 x minus a2 and x minus a3. Okay, this is here y, and for the simplification and we have to show some problem, first we have to take a logarithm on both sides, and see here 3 log x and log of x minus a1 and log of x minus a2 and log of x minus a3, and differentiate both sides with respect to it, then we get here 1 by y, and this is here dy dx, and this is here 3 by x minus 1 by x minus a1 minus 1 by x minus a2 minus 1 by x minus a3, and see, this is a 3 by 1 by x, so we have taken partially 1 by x 1 by x 1 by x3 with the simplify with the first, second and third, second, third and fourth part, and then what we get here 1 by x minus 1 by x minus a1 1 by x minus 1 by x minus a2 1 by x minus 1 by x minus a3. Okay, this is a dy dx, multiply on the right hand side, and you have to take a LCM of these two, then we get here x into x minus a1, and that is here x minus a1 plus, this is here minus x, similarly x into x minus a2 and x minus a2 minus x into x minus a3, that is x minus a3 minus x. See, this x x's are cancelled. So minus a1, minus a2, minus a3, and that is equal to y by x. Okay, and minus are changing in between them, then a1 by a1 minus x, a2 by a2 minus x, a3 by a3 minus x, and this is your solution. Okay, for 21st. Now we have to show for the next problem. See, next problem is here. We have given that is question number 16. 1 plus x to the power whole to the power n, that is c0, c1x, c2x square, and dot 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 cnx to the power n. Okay, to prove that is c0, 2c1, 3c2 plus n plus 1 cn, and that is n plus 2 to the power n plus minus 1. This is number 1. This is a number 2, c1 minus 2c1 plus c3 minus plus minus 1 whole to the n minus 1 n into cn equal to 0. Okay, very interesting question. See the solution. Some students have given me to solve this question, and see, this is your given case, and to prove that. Okay, see the solution: 1 plus x to the power n, c0, c1x, c2x square, and cnx to the power n. See, on the first case, here is start from 0, c0. So if we differentiate this, but c0 is absent here, so need to present x here. So that's why multiply by x on the both side. Okay, so this is x into 1 plus x to the power n. Okay, see, multiply by x on both sides, that is x into c naught, x square into c1, c2 into x cube, dot 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 x to the n plus 1 into cn. Now differentiate both sides. Okay, x into n into 1 plus x whole to the power n minus 1, and again 1 plus x whole to the power n into differentiate of x is 1 u into v, and like that c0, 2x c1, 3x square c2, like that. Okay, n plus 1 x to the power n cn. See, compare with that, putting x is equal to 1 on both sides, then n into 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n. So c0, 2c1, 3c2, okay, n plus 1 into cn. Okay, so c0, 2c1, 3c2. Okay, it is proved on the left hand side. So you can write here C0 to C1 and n plus 1 into Cn, and you have to take a common, that is 2 to the power n minus 1 into 2 here. So n minus 1 into n plus 2, this is proved. Okay. Now for second C0 is absent here, so differentiate this equation normally. So then we get here n into 1 plus x to the power n minus 1, and that is equal to, this is 0. Okay, and if we differentiate this, then we get here C1 and 2x C2, 3x square C3, like that. Okay, plus n into x to the power n minus 1 Cn. Okay, now putting x is equal to minus 1, then we get here, we have to write here on the right hand side, this is C1, that is, okay, this is minus 1 actually, and this is here 2 minus 1 into C2 plus 3 into minus 1 into C3, okay, this is minus and plus here n into minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1 into Cn, and that is equal to 0. Okay, if we put here minus 1, so it is got 0. So this is C1 minus 2C2, 3C3. Okay, and this is here minus 1 whole to the power this is minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1 into n into Cn equal to 0. Proof. Okay, I think all of you better understood these three problems. Some students given to me. Okay, bye everybody.